Hey everybody, it's me again. I'm back. Okay, this is our last video, and we are going to configure default IPv6 static routes. Okay, on our first video, which has no sound, I'm sorry about that, but I tried to explain everything. On our first video, we've configured directly connected IPv6 static routes. On our second video, which is the previous one, we've configured recursive IPv6 static route, and on this one, which is the last video, I am going to show you how to configured default IPv6 static routes. So let's do this. Okay, first of all, before we move on to that, I'd like to tell you that when you configure the default IPv6 static route, we have to know that because on directly connected, we used the destination network IPv6 address. On recursive, we did the same, but with default routes, the destination network IPv6 address, prefix, and prefix length are all zeros. Actually, it is the easiest one to configure because the prefix and prefix lengths are all zeros. Now you don't have to type all this long number here like we did on recursive and directly connected. But with direct default IPv6, we just have all the prefix and the prefix length are all zeros. So okay, let's do this. First of all, we are going to do the same as we did with recursive by enabling disabling the previous configuration. So let's do this. Show running config. Okay, oops. We got just going to copy this one here, which was recursive. Okay, Control C, conf T, which is short for config terminal. Okay, no, we paste it exactly, and and now if you check, you can see there's no routes. Okay, there's no recursive route, no directly connected, and we are going to do the same on this router too. Enable show run, which is short for running config. Copy this one here. Sorry, copy this. Okay, conf T, short for config terminal. No, exactly, and if you check, nothing. And if you try to ping, obviously the ping won't be successful because there's no route. I mean, there's no recursive route, there's no directly connected route. Okay, now we are going to configure the default IPv6 static route. Let's start with this router here. Okay, conf T. It is actually the easiest. Okay, IPv6 route. IPv6 route, sorry. Okay, remember the prefix and prefix length are all zeros. So it's double colon slash 0, the outgoing interface, which is serial 0-1-0, and and show running. Here is the route. We've got the default route. Okay, hopefully you guys know what this double colon means. Okay, when you've got double colon, actually it's 0 colon 0 colon, and those 0 colon put together as double colon. Okay, hopefully that makes sense because these are actually my first videos. Anyways, let's go. On this router, I'm gonna do the same. Conf T. Okay, IPv6 route. Okay, double colon. If you want, we can do it this way. It's double colon at 1 2 3 4 colon 1 2 3 4 colon dash 0. But this is actually a bit too long to write, so that's why the zeros are grouped in double colon slash 0, outgoing interface, which is 00101, and okay, show run. And if you show the running configurations, you can see here we've got a route now, which is default. Now let's try to ping. Okay, as I always start. Okay, okay, okay. As you can see, everything is successful. Okay, So yeah, and please just don't forget, never forget to do this. Never forget to copy the running configurations into the startup configurations, or else you might just lose your configurations once you restart your machines and stuff. Copy. You know, it's always easy to copy, so you don't have to tap everything twice and stuff. Exactly. So yeah, now we've learned about directly connected Ipv6, recursive Ipv6, default Ipv6 started route. So yeah, this is it. My name is Ben. I'm actually a CCNA 1 and 2 graduated. I failed my assistant exam, and now I'm getting ready for the new system that have been upgraded, and trying to help the guys out there that don't have this little knowledge that I have. So please comment, like if you want, and yeah, say what you have to say about this videos, if they are helpful or not. And I'll be uploading more videos again, and hopefully um, they will help the guys out there who don't know how to do this. Okay, thank you. Ciao.